In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to find and remove duplicate photos on Windows 10 and 11. Before we jump into the solutions, let's address the root of the problem. Why do we end up with duplicate photos in the first place? Often, it's due to human error rather than any fault of the computer itself. For example, accidentally clicking the download button twice can result in multiple copies of the same image. Over time, these duplicates accumulate, hogging valuable storage space and slowing down your system. So, let's explore 4 methods to tackle this issue and reclaim your storage space. 1. Visual Similarity Duplicate Image Finder. This Windows exclusive software quickly scans specific locations for duplicate images, making it ideal for targeted searches. Simply select a location, scan, and delete duplicate with ease. 2. Duplicate Cleaner. Unlike the previous tool, Duplicate Cleaner can perform a thorough scan across your entire hard drive, saving you time and effort. Its advanced filtering options allow for more precise searches, making the process even more efficient. 3. Easy Duplicate Finder. This versatile tool goes beyond just photos, scanning all file types for duplicates. While it may take no longer to scan large drives, its compressive approach ensures nothing slips through the cracks. 4. Awesome Duplicate Photo Finder. Free to use, this tool excels at finding similar images and displaying them in real time. While it can only scan one folder at a time, its performance is impressive, making it a great option for smaller scale searches. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.